Welcome you all to Krishnavik channel. Our today's project through a Linux shell script. Backup Manager. This script performs a simple backup by creating a tarball archive of the specified source directory and saves it with a time-stamped file name in the destination directory. This is a very useful script for all Linux users, whether in an organization or personal use. Hope you will enjoy it. Happy learning. Let's start. I am going to backup this directory named organized_files. Let's check the contents of this directory. It has several subdirectories with files which I have created in our previous video. I am creating here a directory named my_backups to keep our backup file. Type the sudo user's password. Okay, let's get into the my_data directory. Now, by the following command, I am going to create the script file for backup, named backup_manager. To create a script file, you can choose any appropriate location, like I have chosen here, my_data directory. Press Insert key and write the following script. Replace path to source with the actual path of the directory which you want to take backup, and path to destination with the actual path of the directory where you want to take backup. By the help of timestamp, our backup file will be saving file name along with date and time. Backup_file name. You can give here any appropriate name for your backup file. Use -p to fix issue of tar removing leading /. Save and exit. Let's check my_backups directory. Right now, directory is empty. Let's run the backup_manager script. Type sudo user's password. Let's check again my_backup directory. Yes, backup file has been created successfully, named data_backup along with date and time. Let's perform it practically. How can we retrieve our deleted data through this process? We have already taken backup of organized_files directory, so I am going to delete this directory. Okay, organized_files directory has been deleted successfully. Now, type the following command to restore the data from backup file. Let's check. Yes, our data has been retrieved successfully. Few options with descriptions which have been used here along with the tar command. -p. Used to fix issue of tar removing leading / from member names. -c. Create a tarball. -x. Extract a tarball. -v. Verbose output or show progress while extracting files. -z. Decompress and extract the contents of the compressed archive created by gzip program. -f. Specify an archive or a tarball file name. Thanks for watching. Get ready to be thrilled because another exciting video is just around the corner, coming your way in just 1 week. Stay tuned.